Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to LJOLUSEsi. So today we are day 8, yes day 8 of the a&aglitter advent calendar. So I'm just going to crack straight on, it's down here. We shall see what we have. Ooh, let me zoom you in. Snow Fairy Winter Mix. This is beautiful. I probably say that on every single video. These are so beautiful. Honestly, I haven't got one that I don't like. This is gorgeous. So we have we have some matte white hexagons, and then there are some blue blue iridescent, some pink. Oh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's swatch you. Not showing you. Oh, I love it. Beautiful. Still haven't done my nails. I really don't know what I'm going to do. This is so pretty. Look, I'm just faffing about now. Look. So pretty. Oh, I love it. Let's get to those sides because that's going to annoy me. It's better. Cute. Love it. Oops. Again, this one is Snow Fairy. Beautiful. Right, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and you will see me tomorrow. Bye bye.